1. Tap Start Work. Switch the default manual operation mode to AB mode. 2. Set AB points. Clear the previous AB route data before recording. 3. Take off manually and fly to the work area. Mark the current position as point A when arriving at the first work area. Mark the current position as point B when arriving at the second work area. 4. After marking the work area, confirm the operation direction. Once settings are complete, swipe to upload the flight route. 5. Fixed operation mode. The water pump volume, flight speed, and nozzle rotation speed can be adjusted in real time according to the actual operation conditions. Switch to dynamic mode. The spray volume, flight speed, and nozzle rotation speed can be adjusted in real time according to the operation conditions. 6. During flight, the length of the operation route can be manually adjusted via the up or down joystick. 7. Obstacle avoidance can be performed via the remote controller aileron during flight. After avoiding obstacles, select the desired position to resume operation. Fly to the operation point and mark this point as point A. Then tap A and use the joystick to set the AT route edge positioning line. Fly to another operation point and mark this point as point B. Then tap B and use the joystick to set the BT route edge positioning line. Thanks for watching.